Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. This is Sandy for Spellbinders. Today I'm sharing some Halloween crafts using the Spellbinders Small Die of the Month kit for September 2019. So this month's Small Die of the Month kit is focused around Halloween. Yay! Halloween has got to be one of my favorite holidays. And this year I decided to do a pastel Halloween or pastel goth type of thing. And when I saw the dies from this kit, I thought that they would be the cutest, the most perfect dies to incorporate into a pastel theme Halloween. And so everything that I'm going to show you is based on a Halloween party, okay? A pastel gothic type Halloween. And so for the invitations, here is a greeting card idea in which I used the dies to make the ghosts, and these are girly ghosts. The girly ghost, of course, is the pink one, and she's saying, "Moo!" And these are the boy ghosts, and it was so super easy to make. And I just threw in a couple of sequins, and here is a jack-o'-lantern. I was like, how do you say this? It's a jack-o'-lantern. And I just use papers from my stash that I've had for a while. And the card base, by the way, is from the Spellbinders monthly card making kit. So I didn't have to build a card base there. And also the dies also have these sentiments that spell out eek and boo. And the sentiment over here, this I just found online and under free sentiments, and I just printed it out and just put it right up on there. But I think that these make such cute invitations. And so going along with the Halloween party theme, I went ahead and made a treat box. This treat box I designed using the Fun Stampers Journey milk carton treat box. It is a rather large steel rule die, and I will go ahead and link you to it in the area underneath this video. I will go ahead and link you to these set of dies too, and all of the Spellbinders monthly kits in the area right underneath this video as well. And so I just love this. It's so super cute. So the Halloween children in the Spellbinders dies actually come with 3 separate outfits, and I will go ahead and show that to you. I'll probably pop it right over there to show you what it looks like, and they are so super cute. And so I think this one is my favorite. And here's another saying from the die of the month kit. It says the eek, and I think, did I misspell eek? I'm not sure if eek is supposed to have 2 or 3 letters. I mean 2 or 3 e's. But I just put 2. I should have put 3. And this one says boo. And I just love this. I love how everything is just so pastel. I love, love, love it. And of course, I pop dotted his face over here, and I pop dotted the ghost image right along there. Can you see that? Am I holding it wrong? There you go. Okay. And this milk carton is so super easy to put together. And you just grab you one of these and to enclose it. It is so super simple to do. And I thought it would be a really great idea to do some party favors using the ghost dies and these clips. I know that we all have these in our stash, and these are just chip back clips that I made, and to pretty them up I just added some bows on top of the ghost. So as you can see, these are girl ghosts. And I thought too that perhaps if you wanted to, you could make these as refrigerator magnets. All you would have to do is just glue a magnet back here and wait for it to dry, and then just use it on your refrigerator to hold any special pictures or notices or whatever up on your fridge. So yeah, these are my Halloween project ideas using the Spellbinders small die kit of the month for September 2019. And following this video, you will see some pictures of my projects and also some more ideas that Spellbinders has come up with these kits. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you once again real soon. Bye!